Well, there was certainly some excitement this morning, Sylvia, here at the Apple Store. It opened at 8 a.m. local time. There was a very small queue outside with people having pre-booked slots to either purchase and pick up their Vision Pro headset or come and do a demo. Now, this is, of course, very different from an iPhone, which everyone is very familiar with. This is a brand new product category for Apple. So Apple is booking these demo slots and able to show people what this product can do in the hope to perhaps convince them to go out and splash $3,500, or here in the UK, £3,500 for this headset. Now, the headset's gone on sale now in the UK, Australia, Canada, France and Germany. And outside the store this morning, I had a chance to catch up with the first person who was in line and spoke to him a little bit about why he's buying the product. He said he likes some of the applications on there, the ability to see things in a big screen and to have multiple windows open at the same time. He said at the same time some of the discomforts were around the size of it and the way it feels, though that can be adjusted as well. But then I asked him about this £3,500 price tag on the device. His name is Liam Nicholson. This is what he had to say on the price.
I think definitely worth it just because of the Apple ecosystem. I think as all the apps come on board and things like that, that's the thing that's probably really worth it. Like, I've got an iPhone, got a watch, having it all fit is definitely worth it. So yeah, not too worried about it. Maybe ask me again when I come back out, and then we'll see.
The big question here, I think, for Apple investors is, when does this become a meaningful part of Apple's business? IDC are expecting this to sell just 400,000 units this year, much smaller than, say, smartphone sales, for example. Right now, investors are still very much focused on the iPhone business for Apple, the software and services business. But Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, has clearly positioned this device as a big part of Apple's future and says this is going to really be the next paradigm shift in terms of the way computing moves on. I had a chance to catch up with Francisco Geronimo. He's a vice president of devices research at IDC this morning to get his take on how the Vision Pro might do this year. Let's just listen in.
We forecast over the next 4 years Apple to sell 6.9 million Vision Pro devices, and there are rumors there's a new cheaper version coming out in the coming years, and we also expect that to contribute to the higher volumes. That will represent close to 14 billion US dollars in revenues. This is a remarkable result, even if compared to the iPhone is smaller, but it's a growing business in the long term. And if we think about all the content and the services that Apple will be able to drive and to generate from the mixed reality product, that's a very impressive result.
Francisco Geronimo there, quite bullish on the growth of the Vision Pro over the coming years, says that actually a cheaper version, we've heard rumors of that, could actually help this become more of a mass market product as well. And compared to some of the other rivals on the market here, the Apple Vision Pro is doing relatively well so far. So quite bullish there as well. Again, the question is when this becomes a meaningful part of Apple's business. That might take a few years, but clearly, as we've seen with many Apple products, whether it be the iPhone, the Mac, or the Apple Watch as well, the Apple loyal customer base is very loyal. They're very sticky. They like Apple products and they're willing to buy multiple products from Apple, which are tied together by the company's software. It'll be interesting to see how over the coming years this product in particular will be brought into that mix as well, Sylvia.